What's up, guys? More Medic One. My most inboxed question is, what tools do I need to work on a Stihl blower, weed eater, Stihl equipment in general? Guys, you just don't need a whole bunch of tools to work on Stihl equipment. You need just your basic hand tools. You need a good set of snap ring pliers. I love these little pocket screwdrivers that come with the Stihl equipment. You'll need a couple, carburetor adjusting screwdrivers, and along with a couple of Torx bits. Uh, the best Torx bit that I have run across actually comes from Stihl. I have put the absolute whooping on this Torx bit right here. This is a T27. It does not come with the screw gun adapter, however. It looks just like this. You can put a 1/4 inch ratchet on here, and if you want to know what that part number is, there she is, 0812 542 2104. And I ordered about 3 of these several years ago, thinking that I'm going to break one of these. Inevitably we're going to destroy a bit, but I haven't destroyed the first one yet, and I still got 2 left. Ain't that something? But you just need some, mini screwdrivers, 5/16. On Stihls, you don't really have that much torque. Allen heads. Now, if you're working on Echo, they still use a lot of Allen heads, but Echo is now going mostly T27, which is what these bits are here. So I use this on a lot of Echo. Now, I do have one specialty tool, and this is my pressure vacuum test kit that you've got to have. You've got to have at least a vacuum gauge that you can pull a vacuum and add pressure to the crankcase. If you're interested, you can go online or go to your Stihl dealer and buy this kit. Now, this kit is not cheap. It's $300 or $400, but like I said, if you're going to diagnose 2-strokes, whether it be a Stihl, Echo Ocean, Daiwa, Red Max, this kit will work on anything. You need to get you a modified Irwin clamp to test your carburetors. I think Stihl actually has added one of these Irwin clamps to their tool list. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know what the part number is to that. You'll need just a basic set of sockets and things like that. Hey, I wonder if my 10 millimeters here. Is that it? Heck yeah. You'll need just a torque wrench. I love this dial one from Proto. You just don't need a whole $1,000 to $5,000 or $6,000 toolbox to work on small engines. We don't have expensive boxes here at my job, but at home, I kind of went a little overboard over the years, and I got me a Snap-on toolbox. I thought I had to have it, but you don't have to have all that expensive stuff. Inexpensive right toolbox is all we have here at work. Serves the purpose well. At the More Medic shop, though, I do have a lot of specialty tools that I have acquired over the years, and it just makes the job easier to have the right tool. A lot of people make the mistake by using T25 on the Torx head screws on Stihls and Echoes, and it will fit, but you're going to snap off your tool, or you're going to round the Torx head off. A lot of people don't realize that when you buy a set of Torx bits, that T27 is usually omitted from the kit. So that's why we like to go and order these from Stihl. That way we know without a shadow of a doubt we're getting the correct tool that fits those Torx bits. Alrighty, guys, I hope you enjoyed that short little video, and hey guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a good day.